Hey everybody, welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas. It is Saturday. It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm just picking up the camera now. I woke up kind of late. I didn't go to bed till like 2 a.m. last night. Yeah, so I slept in till like 10 and then I had breakfast. Well, I wouldn't call it breakfast. I had mac and cheese for breakfast. Don't judge me, okay? So yeah, just picking up the camera now and I don't really know what I'm doing today. I'm off from work today. We might run some errands. I'm not sure. You'll just have to stick around, but right now I'm going to make my bed because that is really annoying me, not having my bed made before I leave for the day. So yeah, and then I guess you'll just have to keep on watching to see what this Vlogmas video has in store. So yeah. Okay, I'm back with a surprise. Remember from the last video, I said we got a puppy. There she is. She's 6 months old today. And we're gonna get her a surprise today. Hi, are you behaving? No. Meet Levi. Don't bite my pants. Don't bite my pants.
Do I have to put daddy's baby?
No, she's biting the seat. Levi. Me.
You act like you don't get fed.
You silly girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. That's my hair. Don't bite my hair.
You're pretty.
Currently. Levi, can you sit? Not there. Okay, go over there. We got Levi's surprise. Are you ready for your surprise? We got her a pop cup for her 6th birthday. Watch her be the dog that doesn't like it.
You're gonna like your little puppy cup.
You're gonna have your pop cup?
Your little whipped cream?
Lizzie's holding it. Liz got Starbucks. We didn't want Starbucks, so we're just getting a drink at 7-Eleven.
I gotta go home.
And Erica's stuck.
Leland.
Leland, come here.
Leland both.
Yeah.
Leland. Hi, baby.
Okay, so Mom and Erica went in to get us a drink. Liz got a venti mocha frap. Grande mocha frap. And then Levi got a pup cup. And then we're just getting sodas from 7-Eleven. And then we're gonna take Levi home. And we might go out to Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. We might look at Christmas stuff. We'll see. So yeah. When they get back out, we're gonna have Levi try her first pop cup. Are you gonna try your first pop cup, Lee? Levi. She's ignoring me. So yeah, I'll see you when they get out of here and we'll watch Levi take her first taste of a pop cup. She's getting so old. She's 6 months old today. You're 6 months old. Oh, now you wanna say hello? Hi. Nita, you ready? Is you ready? Ready, Lee? Is you ready?
Your first puppuccino.
Can you get pictures in? I think she likes it. Is that good, Lee?
Is that a good cow?
Is there anything left? Levi liked that. Levi, how good was that? Was that good? I'll insert some pictures of Levi trying her pup cup. I do. We're going to Hobby Lobby. Can't wait. It's so crowded in here. I'm trying to find the Christmas stuff.
Maybe this should be our Christmas tree for this year.
Maybe.
There's no one on the bottom.
Liz, extension 19, please. Liz, extension 19.
What would you like?
Well, that was a fail.
Fail. No decorations.
No. But Levi got an ornament.
There you go.
Got put a little picture in.
No tablecloths.
No outdoor decor
No
for
outdoor.
Christmas.
How about, what's that place over by Moe's?
Big Lots?
Big Lots.
How the heck do I get there though from here, honey?
Plus, we're going to eat.
Okay.
Plus we're going to eat, she says.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know. Now we're going to try Big Lots.
Let's see.
But it says store closing, so there's probably nothing left.
Exactly. Everybody has the same idea.
We're a little late to the season.
A little late. Better late than never, though, so. We're going to go into Big Lots, hopefully find some decorations, and then we're going to go eat, so. Stay tuned. What, Mama?
The tree.
We found the outdoor decorations.
No,
Then we found ornaments.
I asked her how much
I really like this one.
you like that.
I like this one. It's so
You
cool.
want it?
No, it's alright. I like this, but the box was open too.
Me too.
Ooh, look at the reindeer.
I just don't
That's
know how
cute.
to stake that.
Yeah. We used to have them at the other house. At the old house. Okay, we left Big Lots. It was kind of a fail, kind of not.
Got a couple of cute things. I'll show you
Yeah.
when we get
We'll
home.
do a little haul.
But now,
Now we're at Moe's.
gotta go to Moe's.
So we'll see you at some point. We're home. Thank you. I missed you too. I missed you. Did you finish eating? Say hello to the vlog. Oh, you gave them a kiss? Aw. That's a good girl. You gonna finish your food? No, you're not chewing my pants, right? Okay, good kisses. Good kisses. Good kisses. Good kisses. Good kisses. No. Okay. Okay, show you what we got you. Well, Erica got you something. Erica got you something. Yeah. So we didn't have that much luck at the stores today. But we got some things. We got like 4 things. We got Levi this ornament. 2023 ornament. We just have to print out a picture. We got her this year. So that's cute. There's a Hobby Lobby. And then Erica got these mini stockings. 2 of these. They're cute. And then at Big Lots, we got these ornaments. I don't know if you can see them. And then this sign here. It says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." It's cute. There's the last one. I wish they had another one, but it's cute. So yeah. Leila, you want to see what we got you? Look what we got you. Look what we got you. Oh, you like it? We just have to get you a picture. We have to print a picture of you out. And then it'll go on our Christmas tree when we put that up at some point. Are you going to be good with the Christmas tree up this year? It should be an adventure, to say the least. Yeah. Oh, you want to say hello? You like the camera. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. Yeah. Did you finish eating? Did you finish eating? Yeah. Oh, you like this. Say hello. Say subscribe. like this video. Please. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're home for the night, and Leeli just finished eating. I think she finished. Did you finish everything? You're gonna have to go out soon? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, there's not much really going on for the rest of the night. I'll probably end this vlog here. I hope I vlogged enough. I don't know. It was kind of like a fail of shopping day, but a shopping day fail. Sounds better, I think. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna end this vlog here and take off my makeup, put pajamas on, and probably just watch TV for the rest of the night, and then I have work tomorrow. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, go subscribe to this channel. Here's Erica.
How close are you getting to
Subscribe to the channel.
my channel too? Oh wait, I don't have a channel.
Leeli, say subscribe. You did this before. Can you say subscribe to the channel? Subscribe to the channel.
Give kisses?
Give the vlog kisses. No, don't bite the camera.
It's my finger.
Go follow me on Instagram, Lifewithemilyann, Leeli the Bernadoodle. Yeah.
It's Leeli.
Yeah. I'll leave it linked down below. And yeah, we'll see you all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3.
Bye-bye.
My mom says bye. Leeli, say bye. She's trying to eat the camera. Alright. I'll see you all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye.